Hi, you guys. I'm going to show you how to go onto Seesaw, which is what we're using for our class this week. So this paper right here, I mailed it to you in the mail in an envelope, and if you don't have it, then I can email it to you as well. So first you're going to go to this website, https://app.seesaw.me. So once you're there, you click on I'm a student. So here I am at that website. Then I click on I'm a student. Now here, you go down here to text code. His code is right here. NBTTPEJXBSROCPPB. And you put in the text code and you press go. So now when he logs in, here are his activities right here. So if he is on here, he will see his schedule. So we've already done the meeting. So here are the activities he can do. Right here, you can do that. I think you guys did that already. So here, class meeting, choice time, lunch, PE. So go back here and he can either do PE or he can do the choice board. Looks like he did the other activities. I hope that helps you, and if it doesn't, let me know your other questions. All right, good luck, you guys.